How to use LMC Library Discovery. LMC Library Discovery is a tool that searches many of our databases at once, so you can look for articles, ebooks, and videos all at the same time. To search LMC Library Discovery, start at the library homepage by clicking on the Library button from anywhere on the LMC website. The main search box is where you'll enter your keywords for searching. Keywords are simple terms you use to search a library database. For example, I want to know how virtual reality can be used for medical treatments in healthcare settings. So the question I want to answer is, how is virtual reality technology being used for healthcare? This is what I would say to ask someone or type my question into Google. But library databases are different. Instead of typing an entire question into the search box, it's best to use the fewest words possible that represent what you're looking for. Ask yourself, which words or phrases in my question are the most important? If I had to take away words from the question, which words would still represent what I want information about? I could get rid of words like how, is, or used, and that wouldn't change what I want to know. So I pick out the terms virtual reality and health because I want to know what virtual reality is doing in the world of health. I don't even need the word technology because virtual reality is already a kind of technology. So my keywords will be virtual reality and health. I enter those keywords into the search box and hit enter or click the spyglass. Each result in your list will have the title and an icon showing what type of source it is. For example, this list shows mostly articles. Make sure to read the titles of the results. Read the entire first page of results to make sure you're getting some results that are relevant to your topic. Click to the next page to view even more results. If it looks like your results are not really about your topic, you may want to redo your search with different keywords, or contact a librarian for help with search suggestions. When you see a result that looks like it could help you answer your question, click the link. The next screen has the title, author, name of the publication, and its date. If there's a description, it will show a summary of the article, book, or video. Reading the description can be helpful to figure out whether you want to continue further with this result. Then find the View Online section. This gives you a list of choices of library databases where the article is available. It doesn't matter which one you choose, just click on one. I'll choose EBSCOhost Academic Search Complete. You may be prompted to log in at this point. Sign in the same way you sign in to Canvas or Insight. And here's the article. Sometimes it's in a PDF format like this. Your tools are at the top of the page. Click the headphones to listen to the article. Most of our article databases have a similar audio feature. Once you know your search results are pretty good, use the left column to refine your results to find exactly what you need. These menu options are called filters. For example, click the publication date menu. This shows that the years that my search results were published in range from the 1980s to 2025. For my topic, information older than 10 years can be too old, so I'll change 1981 to 2015 and click Refine to filter the results to only the past 10 years. When you've set a filter you want to keep, click Remember All Filters under the Active Filters menu. That means that the search results will continue to be filtered even if you try new searches or keywords. You can also look for a specific type of source by clicking on Resource Type. For example, if you don't want newspaper articles, click on the red square on the right. Or if you just want books, click on the square to the left and then click Apply Filters. Some of our books are physical books located at our Pittsburgh or Brentwood libraries. For example, this book is available at our Pittsburgh campus library. The next book says Available Online. That means it's one of our ebooks. If you want to filter your results so you only see what you can access online, return to the search box at the top. Click on the Everything filter and select Available Online. Then click the spyglass. This will filter out anything that you need to come to the library to check out. Likewise, you can choose the LMC Books and Media filter to only see what we have at our libraries. If you find a physical book that you want to check out, you can come to the library to get it, or go to the Request, Renew, Return Materials link on the library homepage to learn how to request a book or DVD for pickup. Access an ebook just like any other online resource. click the title and then go to the View Online section for the link. On the next page, select Access Options to begin reading. You can read the PDF or choose EPUB for use with a screen reader. You can find more detailed videos about accessing our ebooks by clicking the eBooks link on the library homepage. For your research, your instructor may have asked you to specifically find peer-reviewed articles. These are specially written and formatted by researchers to have highly accurate information resulting from original in-depth research. If you're looking for peer-reviewed articles, go to the Availability menu on the left and select the Peer-Reviewed Journals filter. Many peer-reviewed articles are located in PubMed Central, an outside database. For PubMed Central articles, you'll need to find the free full text button in the upper right corner. Then you'll have access to the entire article. Each database or content provider has a different citation tool, but most will have them. For EBSCO, find the tools in the upper right corner and select the quotation marks. Use the menu of styles to find your citation style. For example, MLA style. Then you can copy and paste the citation into your Works Cited or References page. If you can't find the citation tool, click back on the previous tab to LMC Library Discovery. It has its own citation button too. Here you can also select your style and then copy the citation. Another important step is to keep track of anything you found that you want to use for research. Please be aware that if you leave database tabs open in your web browser, they may expire. This means that you won't be able to reload the page. Save yourself from redoing your search. Here are a few ways. An easy way is to use the email tool to send yourself a link back to the page. In LMC Library Discovery, click the Email button. Then fill in your email address. It can be any email address you use. Then when you're ready to return to your research, find the email from the database, which will have a special link. In EBSCO materials, you can use the Share arrow button and then click Email for a similar form. Most of our databases will have a Share or Email tool. In the EBSCO Share tool, you can also create a special link that will take you directly back to the material called a permalink. Just click Create Link and copy the link. Then you can paste it into your notes or wherever you're tracking your research. Most of our databases also have a permalink creation tool like this. If you have any questions or issues with LMC Library Discovery, please contact the library for help by using the chat email form in the lower right corner of the homepage. You can also click the Contact a Librarian link for more options. We are here to help.